actually try to play a song for you at the end of this video. I wanted to share a little bit about my ukulele today. It came with some extra strings, a cloth to clean the fretboard, a couple of picks, a tuner, this strap, and this is the ukulele. Isn't she beautiful? About 6 years ago, my sister had got me a ukulele for my birthday. And so I sat and I tried to learn how to play it, and I learned a few things on it. But life happened, things happened in life, you know how it goes, and I lost my ukulele. So I actually just treated myself to this brand new ukulele, and again, isn't she beautiful? So one of the things that I've had to do is kind of relearn the chords on the ukulele. And so I created this board here to kind of just stand in front of and just practice the chords over and over. We got C, F, A minor, and G. And these are like the main chords for like multiple songs. And I have this covered because I'm going to actually try to play a song for you at the end of this video. But I don't want you to see what it is yet. So I'm going to start with this first one. I'm going to show you this first one on the ukulele. So this is actually going to be the C chord on the ukulele. So 1, 2, 3 frets. I'm going to use my ring finger and strum. That's a C. And I'm actually going to skip around a little bit because there's something special I want to tell you about the F chord. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the A minor chord is actually going to be 1 fret, 2 fret, 2nd fret. I'm going to use my middle finger and I'm going to put it right on top string right here. And that's an A minor. And if you keep listening, you might actually hear the song I'm trying to play. If you saw my sign and the G chord was wrong, you're right. My cat had slid down off the fridge where I keep my sign and swiped it clean, and I tried to fix it, but I forgot one finger. But I'm going to show you a G chord now. The G chord actually requires 3 different fingers. So right here, it's going to start in the 2nd fret, and I'm going to put my middle finger on the bottom chord in the 2nd fret, my pointer finger 1 string above it. See, not this one, but this one. And my ring finger is going to go over here, right in the middle. 3rd fret, right in the middle. Okay? So try to curl your fingers if you're following along or anything like that, which I doubt at the moment. But if you ever want to, curl your fingers so you get it right. This is a G. Okay, so here we go with that F chord. So there's 2 different ways to play this F chord, and I learned this by just kind of trying to learn how to play the ukulele before. So right here, 1st fret, 2nd string up, you're going to actually place your pointer finger. And a lot of books and a lot of things are going to show you to place your middle finger up here. You really don't have to do that part, but you can. So this is an F. This is also an F. Now, I did promise you that I was going to play you a song, but it is not in this order. So I'm going to show you the order that it's actually in. Okay, so the song that I'm going to play for you is in this order. C, G, A minor, and F. And I've been working on the strumming patterns. That's the part that I have an issue with, but I'm going to attempt to play this for you. Here we go. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you and you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. For the cool down right now, I've been giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Wrecking it to get my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're out there doing what you love.